video is not gonna take long. I did something a couple days ago, and there it is. I painted the fifth wheel camper. I ran out of paint, so a couple sides are gonna have to be repainted. It looks good. It's not 100% perfect. I'm not perfect. It's not 100% perfect. If I decide to go in and repaint it or do more body work or whatever, then I will later. It's got color on it. It's not two-toned. Well, it's close to the same color. Awning's on. The awning is on that I shortened. I shortened it down. It's a 15-foot awning. So I got to order fabric that's 16 foot because it'll equal out to 15 too. But the awning's on. It don't look too bad. I mean, I rolled it out. The fabric is toast. But yeah, I still got some things to do. I still got like this cupboard door. I don't know who did that, but that was done before I got it. Somebody broke it. Still got a lap seal. I got to screw down everything. I still got a lap seal. Everything puts the things in. This part I haven't painted because I did run out of paint. Sorry about that. I did run out of paint, so that part ain't painted. Up there is where you can kind of see that I ran out of paint. But I got it painted. It's not perfect, and I don't care. If I decide to go back, if I decide to go back, then I'll do some more body work and throw more paint down. At least it's all one color. This side could have used another coat, but I ran out, like I said. Still gotta put the trim up here. Still gotta put the edge trim on there. Gotta finish that. I gotta put the edge trim on the bottom of here and here. Still got some finishing touches. This is Friday. Friday, and we're actually gonna be. It's Friday, a week before 4th of July. Yeah, a week before 4th of July, and we're actually pulling the camper out Sunday. I'm gonna hook onto it, take it to the campground Sunday. So at least it's new colored. It's got some color on it, so it don't. Maybe people won't look at it or kind of ask me what happened. But yeah, it's not perfect. I could have did more body work, but I ran out of time. I'm trying to get the Dodge Journey GT project going. Get it done so I can get my shop back. I got other little projects that I'm working on. I got the motorcycle fire rebuild that I'm working on. Harley Davidson Softail. I do have another project that I'm working on. I got several projects that I'm working on. I got the rat rod to finish. Or I might sell it. I haven't decided. I've had people offer me money for it. But I haven't pulled down and said, yes, I want to sell it. Because I kind of like it. But it's not, I'm not attached to it. I mean, I can sell it. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Sorry it was so short. I just want to get a video out there. Sorry it's so short. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel bigger. So if please share this on Twitter, Facebook. You share it on your YouTube. Share it wherever you want. But But please like, share, subscribe, comment so I can get my name out there. We do this all on our own. So hopefully you've enjoyed it. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.